Chapter 10, what do zombies eat? And it's time to feed our zombies. And well, just so happens that CryptoZombies love to eat CryptoKitties. So I think if you already familiar with cryptocurrency, I think you may already played CryptoKitties in 2017. In order to do this, we need to read the kittyDna from the CryptoKitties smart contract. So actually, CryptoKitties is also a contract. We can do this because the CryptoKitty data is stored openly on the blockchain. And so interacting with other contract, for our contract to talk to another contract on the blockchain that we don't own first, we need to define the interface. So for example, there is a contract and the contract has the function of setNum and also the other functions of getNums public. And this would be a simple contract where anyone could store their lucky numbers. And now let's say we had an external contract that we want to read the data in this contract using getNum function. So we need to define an interface of lucky numbers. And we define the interface just like a contract, and we're declaring the functions we want to interact. In this case, getNum, so function getNums, and we don't mention any of the other function or state variables. Secondly, we are not defining any function bodies. So instead of using the curly brackets, just like this one, we simply ending the function with semicolon. So it looks like the contract skeleton. This is how the interface works, but including the interface in our DF, our contract knows what other contract functions look like and how to call them. We will get into actually how to call the functions in the next lesson. So back to the number interface. So actually this is the same as this one, except you just need to delete the curly bracket and replace it with the semicolon. So now if we want to create a kitty interface and we use the contract keyword, the interface define the function getKitty, and actually this is getKitty, and we should be just copy and paste of the function above, but with semicolon after the return. So now we, under this part, we create a contract, and then the contract is kitty interface, and then we open the curly bracket, and then we copy the functions. So we copy this part, but we do not copy the curly bracket part, the body part. And then we place a semicolon and click check answer. So now we can go to next chapter.